Welcome to Flow-Based CO. Now let's see how to use the Courses tab in the Student Planner template. I'll just try to go here and then click on the Courses tab over here. So here when I get into the courses, you can see the complete how to use instructions. So we just try to go and click the drop down. I'll see the complete how to use instructions over here. And then we have the left side bar like the navigation panel to go to the home page. Then we have a button to create a new course. So if you want to go and create a new course, you can just try to click this particular button and then create a new course. Then you have the notification panel. So the complete notification, you'll get it over here. Then you have the notes section over here. So now we'll come to the right hand side. So here you can see the current courses. So whatever courses like currently you're enrolled in or whatever you're learning, you can just try to have these courses over here. So here you can see the in progress courses over here, and then you can see the all courses over here. So all the different courses, whatever you have, all your courses, you'll be able to completely see it over here. So below this, you have the assignment grades. So here you can have what is the name of the assignment, when is the due date, and then what is the total score and how much you've scored and how much weight it has been taken. Everything you will be able to completely calculate and for which course this assignment is for. So that can be also calculated over here. Then you have the courses by status. So how many courses have been not started or completed or archived. So here you can see all the not started courses. If you just try to go and click completed, you have no courses. Then any courses on archive, you don't have any courses. So there are many courses which have actually been not started actually. So next you have the all courses. So here you have the complete courses, all your courses over here. So by year, you can just try to go and list down your courses. And then you have by modules. So module 1, module 5, like this also, you can just try to go and list down your courses. Or by status, you can have your courses like not started, in progress, and then done. Then you have the completed courses. Over here, you get like, you can see there are no completed courses over here. So like this, you have the complete filters for your courses. So you can just try to go and view all your courses from here. So this particular tab is to completely manage all your courses. So you can try to go and add your courses and then manage all your courses from this particular tab.